Okay, in this video we're just going to have a look at how you can change the link colors in the Hello Elementor theme. So we've got kind of just a new tester site here with the Hello Elementor theme just set up, and just kind of this is how it looks out of the box. So it's a totally blank site pretty much, but you can see when we add a link they come up as this kind of pink color, and then they've got this kind of gray or black sort of hover state. So what we're going to do is just jump in and change all of that. So if you come into the dashboard section, and then what you can do from here is jump into pages, and really you can go into any page. We'll just go into the page that this is on, but you can either come in here, edit with Elementor, or go into the page, and then you should have, if I can click on the link, you should have the option up here. So you can go in through either bit. Just make sure you're in the editor, and then within Elementor you can either be in a header, footer, anywhere really, just so long as you're in the main editor. And you'll see this option up here in the top left called Site Settings. And then when you click on that, it will bring up this menu. Just make sure any bits are saved and stuff, and you can kind of come out to this. And the bit we're looking for to handle the kind of links is the typography section. So if we click into that, and then you can see here we've got the text color, which is just the body text. So you can see that that's like paragraph text generally. And then underneath that we've got link. And I think the bit a lot of people find confusing about this is they're kind of looking for this pink color in the palettes, and it's not there. So what you'll need to do is click onto this one, the color, and then you can change this to whatever you like. So, you might want it to be kind of like a blue or something like that. And you can see this is actually changing two things on the site. And that's because this is actually just a link as well. It's like a header piece of text in the header, but it's also a link. And realistically, that's not going to be like that. So, that's not really a concern, but just be aware, you're changing it globally. So it changes these links in the paragraph, but it also changes all of these. So you can kind of do that, and then you've got your changing links. And then what you might also want to do is change the kind of hover state for it. You can see now there is no hover state. It's just it's blue. That's it. So if you come to the hover state now, you can click on this, and it might be that you want to make it like a slightly darker color or something, just to tell people that they've hovered over it. I mean, that is a bit too dark, but you kind of get the idea, just to kind of say they've hovered over the link and they've performed some kind of action. It might be that you want to go beyond that and start to, change all the kind of typography and different bits for it. But essentially that's the place where you'll go to kind of edit those links. And then once you've done it, you can just hit save. And you can see when we refresh the page, as I say, this will be blue as well, because it's kind of like a top link that just links back to itself. Look, it's like the logo linking back to itself. And then also the link within the paragraph, you can see it's also happened for that one. So now if we come back into where we were, so if we come out of the site settings, you can kind of see here, if I'll just duplicate that, and then maybe delete the end off that, and we'll just make that word a link, and we'll just do google.com, do that, hit publish. And then you can see any new links that we create, new paragraph, create a new link, it comes up in that color, and then we've got the hover effect as well for it in that color too. So that's it really. It's quite a simple one. I think just a lot of people get a bit confused about where it is, trying to find it and trying to kind of, change it and make the hover state work as well with it. So hopefully that's helped. If it has, give the video a like. If you want to see more Elementor tutorials, check out the playlist on this channel, and please subscribe.